My strategy isn't about just guessing or gambling. It's a refined system I built over years of testing in every market you can think of. So at the end, I was able to create this amazing masterpiece that can give me signals that I can turn into amazing results like this one. The strategy works on cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks, binary options, futures, or any market you can think of. I use simple indicators like Bollinger Bands, Parabolic SAR, RSI, MACD, and I keep it basic. The trick is to stick to the plan, respect the rules, and never let emotions get involved. Take your time, analyze the market, yeah, and perhaps at the end you can have results like this. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.